Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can disconnect or forget a Bluetooth accessory on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Bluetooth. And then if you want to disconnect a Bluetooth device, tap on the information button right next to the connected device. In here, you have two options. You can disconnect or forget this device. So if you disconnect the device, if you tap on that, that will disconnect the device, but the connections still maintained with the device, so that it's not connected, but that connection settings is still maintained, so that later on, if you want to connect to that device, you can simply just tap on it and it will connect again. Whereas if you tap forget this device and then tap on forget device, then that device is completely removed from your iPhone 13 series. And after that, if you ever need to use that Bluetooth accessory again, you will need to first pair it with that device. And you can see at the moment it's not showing, so I need to close the device, and then I need to put it back into the discovery mode. Once it is in discovery mode, then I can pair it again. And so that is how you can forget a device or disconnect the Bluetooth accessory. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.